Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Spiritual video must be listened. This one is the best for you in hereafter. The first we start the Darood Shareef. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Abdullah bin Amir bin Alas, may Allah be pleased with them, reported, I heard the Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying, whoever supplicates Allah to exalt my mentions, Allah will exalt his mention 10 times. Muslims, Rawa Muslims. The person who recited the maximum number of Darood Shareef in his entire life will be the closest to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of judgment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shower 10 blessing on the person who recite Darood each time. It is expiation of sin. It is a means of obtaining the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The one who recites Darood Shareef will rise 10 degrees in status. 10 sin get forgiven and 10 good deeds are recorded. Reciting Darood Shareef eradicates poverty and hunger. The heart gets purified upon recitation of Darood Shareef every day. It is the source of acceptance. It is the source of acceptance of dua when recited by Darood Shareef. The person who recites Darood Shareef will overcome his troubles. It's help the person to remember some things when he forgets. The one who recites will receive mercy from Allah. Ease hardship upon regular recitations. The recitation of Darood will draw you closer to Allah and His Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. One Friday send Darood abundantly on me as it is present before me, men. Abu Dawood. On the day of judgment, the person closest to me will be the one who has sent the most Darood unto me. Rawa in Trimzi. Whoever supplicates Allah to exalt for me, Allah would exalt him 10 times. Rawa Muslim. तज़ीम जिसने की मोहम्मद के नाम की, उस पर खुदा ने आतिश दोज़ख हराम की. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह.